If you need construction fences, it can quickly turn into something like this. Typical 12-feet fences are about as manageable as a baby elephant when loading. One person can't do it alone. They also don't really fit on a flatbed truck either. And to ensure your heavy fences are stable, they naturally need heavy fence stands, which means your employees are constantly more vulnerable to serious injuries and your transport costs increase. So, what's the solution? The 7.2 fence from Bauzaunwelt, Germany's largest online retailer for construction fences. These fences are not only more manageable, but also lighter. A single employee can load them directly onto the flatbed truck, saving you time loading and unloading. And with the lighter fence stands, you protect your employees' health and your wallet in the long run, thanks to lower shipping costs. Shorter fences also mean more stability along the fence row. This makes the fence row more flexible and it absorbs shocks much more effectively. Delivery takes just 2 to 10 business days. A combo package is also available upon request, with 15 fence segments, fence stands, and connecting clamps. Join over 50,000 satisfied customers and order on our website now.